let's take a look at the E82250. Let's bust the seal on this bad boy and see what all you're getting in here. Right on top is these instructions. Don't throw them away. They're gonna be helpful. Also in the bag, you're going to get a seat bottom cover and a seat back cover. All right, let's put these covers on, and we are gonna start with the seat back cover. First thing I'm gonna do is just slide the seat all the way ahead, so that way I can get down in behind it and actually work on it easily. So we're gonna undo all of these flaps. Just like so. And then just slide it down over the seat back. I'm just making sure that the seams of the cover are lined up with the corners of the seat, because that's how we're gonna get the best fit possible. And now that I've got it all pulled down, it's nice and tight across the top, the corners are all lined up, we're gonna take these little flaps right here, and they go down around this part of the seat and stick up to the back of the cover. And you're gonna do that on both sides. It's a good idea to pull those nice and tight, because that keeps your cover fitting really good. Now we're gonna take these 3 flaps here and run them between the seat back and the seat bottom. And what I like to do to make sure that this hook part of the hook and loop does not get caught on the seat is I just fold it over on itself. And then I'm just reaching behind the seat with one hand and pulling the cushion up a little bit so that I can push this here through there. It's a tight fit, but you can definitely get it worked through. There we go. Now with all 3 of these here flaps pushed between the back and the bottom, we're gonna pull them tight, and the tighter you can pull them, the better your cover is gonna fit, and stick them up onto the cover like that. So again, pull them really, really tight and stick them on there, just like that. Now we're gonna put the seat bottom cover on, and it's very similar, but simpler. So first off, for the weight adjustment, we're gonna pull that lever out and put the cover right over top of it, just like that. And then I just work the gauge and everything through the hole in the cover. And then we just slide the cover around the sides of the seat, just like so. Now these 2 flaps are gonna go between the back and the bottom, just like we did before. All right, now with those there, perfect. Now all we have to do is fasten those flaps. Just like before, we're gonna pull them as hard as possible and stick them up like that. There we go. Now all we gotta do is put the weight adjuster lever back in place, and we're finished. She's ready to go back to work.